I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Vega 9-in-1 trimmer so it performs predictably. Charge to full, attach the comb for your target length, and oil the blades. This reduces drag and prevents pulling. Once done, turn it on and test a small inconspicuous patch to confirm cutting height. Make sure to set reference points at temples and nape so you can work symmetrically. Begin with a conservative pass, short, controlled strokes, so you can correct rather than remove too much hair. You now execute the core trimming steps with control and intention. Start at the crown and move outward, using slow, steady strokes against the hair growth for a uniform cut. This reduces snagging. Hold skin taut with your free hand to create a flat cutting surface, and change blade angle slightly at jawlines to blend. Once you reach the sides, switch to shorter combs, where needed and constantly. Compare both sides in the mirror to maintain balance and prevent uneven lines. You finish by refining and maintaining the trimmer so the result lasts. Use the detail head or bare blade for clean edges, then brush and rinse removable parts to clear hair. Apply a few drops of oil to the blades, power off, and store with the guard attached. Charge if battery is below 30% for next use. If you notice uneven cutting, stop and inspect blade alignment and cleanliness. Most problems come from debris or a dull blade, so clean or replace before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.